Hey everyone, seeing a DirectX error in CapCut? Yeah, that usually means there's a graphics or driver issue blocking the app. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix the CapCut DirectX error quickly. First, update your graphics drivers. So outdated GPU drivers are the most common cause of DirectX errors. Open your graphics control panel or device manager and install the latest driver. Next, make sure the latest DirectX version is installed. Yeah, missing or corrupted DirectX files can stop CapCut from launching properly. Open CapCut settings and turn on hardware acceleration if it's available. I mean, this lets your GPU handle video processing correctly. Now try running CapCut as administrator. So right-click the app icon and choose Run as Administrator. Sometimes permission issues trigger DirectX errors. If the error still appears, check your system specs. Yeah, older GPUs that don't support newer DirectX features may struggle with CapCut. Finally, if nothing worked, reinstall CapCut. I mean, this replaces any corrupted program files causing the DirectX issue. And that's it. You know, your CapCut DirectX error should now be fixed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick editing fixes. Hey everyone.